Oh, shit. Welcome to Zoomtopia. Hi, I'm Patrick Kelley. I'm a distinguished architect at Zoom. And guess where I'll be next week? I gave you a hint. It's Zoomtopia. I'm going to be there the 8th and the 9th. I have two sessions I'm talking about. I'm traveling up on Monday afternoon. Get into town. I actually fly into San Francisco, and I think I'm driving down to San Jose. Never been to San Jose. And then settling in. Then Tuesday, let's give a look. Tuesday, I think I have a session on, oh, look at that, 3:15, the power of Zoom and Microsoft. What a crazy topic that I've talked rarely about. Between those sessions, I think I have a bunch of meetings with customers and hopefully see some colleagues along the way. And then on Tuesday I have 5:45 to 6:15. I think that's probably Eastern Standard Time. Convert that to Pacific Time. I have a topic called Selling the Value of the Zoom Platform. So I'm really excited. I have never been to Zoomtopia. I've actually spoken at a few Zoomtopias, but they were virtual. So this is the first time I'll actually be at one in person. So really excited to see a lot of my colleagues and coworkers that I've never met in 2.5 years of working here. I think my old boss is going to be there. I think my current boss is going to be there. I think my first boss at Zoom is going to be there. So it'll be good to say hi to everybody that I work with, and it'll be good to say hi to you. So if you see an old bearded dude walking around that looks similar to me, I implore you to reach out, shake my hand, fist bump, elbow bump, like I don't care. Say hi. Buy me a drink, a water, a meal, a snack. Again, don't care. Just want to say hi. I've never met most of you that are probably watching this video. So if you're going to be at Zoomtopia next week, November 8th and 9th, drop in and say hi if you can at my session. See me afterwards or before. I'm sure I'll be doing Q&A, both sessions, the 8th and or 9th. And if you see me walking around the exhibits, don't be afraid to introduce yourself. Tell me your role, why you're here, what you want to hear, what you want to see, and maybe we'll bond a little bit. All right, enjoy. Have a great day. Zoomtopia.